One of the most important tasks is to process the live-action component of our shot. We want to place the actresses in front of a futuristic cityscape background, so we have to be able to remove the live-action background in a process called chroma keying. The computer can identify certain colors and render them transparent. Blue or green panels, curtains or walls, allow us to designate where the transparency will exist. As it happens, we have commissioned 2 different vendors to provide footage for our shot. One company decided to shoot using a blue screen, and the other opted for green. We only have to pay for the one we like, so I want you to evaluate which of these shots to buy. I'd like you to separate yourself from the obvious aesthetics of each shot. No doubt the shots have different strengths and weaknesses. The 2 shots were done at different times of day under slightly different lighting conditions, with variations in wardrobe, props, timing, and tracking markers. The goal here is to find the best combination of quality and cost. Take note of the evenness of the colors across the screens. Try to gauge how much time it will take to pull a color key on each, how much rotor work will be needed, how much time will be needed to remove tracking markers, and how many helper mats we will need to create. How many problem areas in the blue or green regions can you spot? Look for wrinkles and seams. Christy from Compositing tells me that green often provides better contrast and less noise than blue. However, blue can be more forgiving in outdoor shots like this, especially when blonde hair is in the shot. Max from Rotoscoping says that the green takes floor color looks pretty uneven, but that blue's fabric is wrinkled behind the bench. He may have to spend time hand rotoscoping the bench out. He also says that additional time may be needed to paint out the white tracking markers in the green take, whereas the blue take's markers may be keyed out without any roto work. Now that I look at it, I also see a few props are sticking into both shots where they shouldn't. A few items of clothing appear to have been overlooked near Blue's bench and violate the line where the 3D railing is supposed to go. Also, Green's chair has a bit of tripod picking into the area underneath it. There's also a green partition near where one of the actresses is standing. The base of the partition cuts into the pavement where another railing is going to be. So there are pros and cons to both shots. Carefully weigh the estimated amount of time against the quality of the shot and resulting mats. Don't go over budget, and good luck.